Hey guys, Dr. Dave here, and we are ready for the December Cairn unboxing. All right, so figured we'd do something different. We're going to do a walking unboxing because I want to show you a few things on the farm here. This little guy is not the boy, but behind him. Oh, he's hiding behind him. There we go. See him? You can still barely see him. Come here, buddy. Come up. Come up. Oh, he won't come over unless he got food. That little guy. There we go. Say hey, everybody. That's Darth Fluff, our attack rabbit. In fact, we found a sign with a picture of him on it. See, that's Darth Fluff, the attack rabbit. And just in case people can't see the sign, runaway attack rabbit. And so this is our old chicken coop. So my oldest son went out and bought a pet rabbit at a flea market without asking. And the places where the sanctuaries where you take pet rabbits that people don't want anymore, were full, so we ended up, this old chicken coop needed to get cleaned up anyway, so we cleaned up an area of it for him, and he absolutely loves it, and is the most friendly rabbit that I've ever had. It's also
I thought it was the attack rabbit.
It's
not a friendly rabbit.
Oh, friendly to us. To us, it's also the only rabbit we've ever had. And so the rest of the chicken coop here is in ruins, plus also there's zombies inside, so we don't go in there much. All right, so let's get back to this unboxing. So we got a box this time. Thank you, Cairn. So Gideon, I'm gonna hand that to you. Yes. Open it up, hand me some items while we're walking, and let's see what we got. Oh wait, look, if a tree falls in the woods, be there to hear it. Yeah, you always want to be there. You just don't want to be under it. That would actually be unfortunate. We'll do the newsletter last. All right, so you hold that. Oh, and here's something. Oh, this is awesome. You guys are gonna love this. I saw this in the box, and at first I thought it might just be regular paracord. Oh, and I tell you what, let me introduce everybody, because these are the same kids that you usually see: Astrid, Sherlock, and Gideon. And you just saw the awesome one, so I've got two more. Although one of them is actually in boot camp right now, 2 weeks into Marine Corps boot camp. All right, so back to this. I saw this in the box, and I thought, oh, paracord. You know, we could always use paracord, but do I really want more? Because I've got thousands and thousands of feet of paracord down in the bomb shelter. But this is even better, guys. You know what this is? What? This is fire cord. In other words, it's more than just paracord. If I'm thinking right, it's the stuff I've seen before. There's actually one of the threads that you can pull out is actually lightable. Like you don't just light it and melt it like we do when we tie paracord. It's actually a fire starter inside the paracord. So that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. How much of this is, it doesn't say how much. We'll check the newsletter here in a minute. All right, so next. Oh, yum. Sun and Swell Foods clean cookie bites. I hope they're clean. I'll wash my hands before I eat them just so I'm not unclean. But clean cookie bites. This is the oatmeal cacao chip flavor. Look at that. I love these things too because look, they look like monstrous rabbit turds. Yeah. But they taste really good. They're just perfect bite size. And on the back too, there is like a laundry list of, let's see, organic, 100% real food ingredients. It is, okay, this one's not, okay, this one's vegan. Look at this, guys. All right, so we just started talking about the rabbit. Look at the vegan thing. The second one down. It's got a picture of a rabbit with a line through it. So, in other words, there's no rabbit in this product. It's gluten-free. There's no gluten. Non-GMO. That's actually one of the ones I care more about. No artificial colors or flavors. That's good. It's soy-free. Soy-free. Yeah, for all you men out there that are eating too much soy, and there are a lot of you, especially in Portland, but soy-free, because if you men eat too much soy, it will kill your testosterone and up your estrogen and turn you into something you may not want to be. Unless you do want to be that, and that's just weird. Oh, there's a squirrel. Yeah, squirrel. Where's he at? Can you see him? There he is, right there. That's going to be the future saffron patch here at the house, here at the homestead. All right, so it's also dairy-free if you're lactose intolerant. I'm not lactose intolerant. I have a friend who is, though, and if he eats anything dairy, he'll get like instant diarrhea. And used to work with him. Man, if he accidentally got some lactose, guys, like milk or something, and he didn't realize it, he would take off running. Like, drink, sit, squirt. It's really gross. Really, really gross. All right. No added sugars. and no added preservatives. And let's see, a little bit of protein in there too. 195 calories. Not bad. The only ingredients, I love when things do this. Look at the ingredient list right there at the top near the rabbit. Dates, cashews, oats, cacao, and cinnamon. That's it. See, anytime, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys all try them. Well, matter of fact, when we go inside, we'll try them out. Tell you what, go ahead and open it up. We'll try them while we're here walking and talking. And but I was gonna tell you guys, and you guys, if you're getting foods like the protein shake you were drinking earlier, buddy, and the ingredients are things you can't pronounce and they sound like chemicals, it's because they are usually. And so anytime you can read something like that, it's like pure, solid things. It's nice. Oh, it's a lot of fog and mist out here right now, and my glorious pumpkin spice beard is getting a little wet with the mist. It actually lays down better though when it's like this. You go ahead and try one. Let me know what you think.
Can I tell you what this is?
Oh, what?
It's a knife.
Oh, sweet. All right,
with 2 blades to replace the blade that's already on it.
Can I try it?
Oh man, it's gonna be mine. It's gonna be mine. Oh, the little girl here has a knife collection too. All right, what you think, Esther? Is it good?
Let me try one.
All right, show up. Go ahead and try it out. Look at these sweet haircuts too. My wife just did the haircuts. This little dude wanted a high and tight because his bro was in boot camp. Nice high and tight. Show us yours, man. There, Gideon's got what I would call the Air Force haircut, or Marine Corps Air Wing, which is like half a Marine. And how is it? Woman, come on, spread the love. There was only 3. Oh snap! Let me just get a little bite, and I'll give the rest of it back to you. There you go, buddy. Oh man, you're lucky you didn't give me one first. I would not have shared. It's got a heavy date flavor, which I really love. If you don't like dates, you probably won't like this. Give them to me. If you like dates, though, this is really good. You guys like it?
Good.
Yeah.
Things. I like dates with girls.
I like dates too.
Also,
with my wife.
There's no sticker.
Seriously, no sticker.
No sticker.
Wait, what?
But hey, there's a knife.
Not even under
All right.
the...
Oh, no.
Astrid, you take the box from him. Put your trash in there. No, you take that box. I'm gonna let him open the knife since he's been carrying it. Oh, first let me read it. Outdoor Edge. Outdoor Edge. Wait, let's say this better. Like we're doing a commercial.
Edge.
No, that sounds like you're constipated. Outdoor Edge. It's like my echo. All right, OutdoorEdge.com. This is the 3-inch razor work replaceable blade knife with 2 blades included. This is gonna be awesome. Make the cut. All right, buddy, open it up. Show us what this knife looks like. Please don't cut yourself while I'm filming. Not because I don't want you to get hurt, but because I'd have to put down the camera to tend to your wounds. You can tear that box apart, buddy, if you need to.
Oh.
Although we won't be able to reuse that as a Christmas gift if the box is tore up. But hey, I'm probably going to keep it anyway. All right, here, hand me the knife. And go ahead and, you said it's got replacement blades. Pull those out too. Let's show them to everybody. All right, so here's the knife. Sweet, I like it. It's got Outdoor Edge imprinted on the thing. And on the handle. Let's get more technical than that, David. So it's got, you can actually take the knife apart, and it's got a black and silver blade. It's a nice, quick release there.
Said they had 2 blades, but there's only 1 blade in here.
Let me see this. Okay, so it does have a replacement blade though. Not serrated. I love a serrated. Oh, well, maybe it's just this blade and the one that's in it was what it meant. Yeah. 2 blades. Yeah, 2 blades. Not serrated. I like a knife with a little bit of serration, either all the way or near the back. But here, buddy, go ahead and open it up.
When we get back, can I check?
Nice, and nobody cut themselves. All right, go ahead and show it to everybody.
Ooh.
You say, ooh, you gotta show them how awesome it is, man. Nice, I like that. That's a nice knife.
I think
And so out of everybody here, little man, there's the only one that doesn't have a pocket knife yet. Little girl though, she's got a pocket knife.
Yes,
you got several. Well, you don't carry one like this yet. Dude, look how quick you did that.
Yeah.
You just snap it in like that?
Yeah. Just, you may not want to hold it by the sharp edge next time though. Yeah, that's pretty cool. In and out real easy. I think I had that part off screen. We're gonna have to, you'll have to let us know in the comments if you watch some of the other Cairn videos. Let us know in the comments if you like the walking around the farm unboxing. If you don't, we'll just go back to the table unboxings. But yeah, I kind of like the walking thing. Dude, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, I'm not gonna film what he's doing with the knife now. Leave that off. Just close the knife up, man. There you go. There you go. Don't want to see it sticking out of any of your body parts. All right, so yeah, he's been through the Cub Scout whittling chip training. He actually has a little certification card that he carries to prove that he knows how to use a knife. And, you know, is being cool about it. Anything else in the box, Astrid? All right, so let me get this newsletter out right here. Well, the newsletter out. All right, so let's see. Oh, and they've got some of the co-branding now, finally. If you don't know the Cairn box, membership box thing, whatever their formal name is, well, really smart me, I accidentally turned off the video while I was filming it. So I'm back, part 2, the sun and swell that, and so I hope you enjoyed this. Like I say, let me know if you didn't enjoy it, and we won't do this again. But that was the walking one. Here, I'll show you the there's the ancient barn that sits on the property, runs downhill, and actually I'll give you a tour sometime down there. The iron gym is down there. We got squat rack, bench press racks, tons and tons of iron to push in the iron barn, and so I'll give you a tour later. Yes, ma'am, you got something?
Sticker's not in here.
Yeah, I know. Gideon already mentioned that. No sticker, but they gave us a box and they gave us food, so they're good on 2 out of 3.
See,
right?
I think the knife made up for the sticker because
Yeah,
the knife was honestly really
well, we'll see if you get to keep the knife.
Yeah.
Because if you don't get to keep
right
it, dude, it was already in your pocket. Man, y'all ate my food before I got some. My knife is already in your pocket, I swear. All right, let's go into the house, guys. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and check us out for more videos. All right, so we couldn't wait to try the fire starter, and so I cut a little section, and as you can see right there, it's in view, color coded, and it actually smells kind of nice. There, can you smell it? Yeah, see, it smells pretty nice. All right, get in. Go ahead and light that sucker up, buddy. Pull the strand out. There we go.
You could use that as a wick itself.
Here, let's tell you what. Let's put it hanging off the edge a little bit, and nice. See how long this little piece burns.
Probably just burns long enough to start a fire, you know?
Yeah. Well, it's burning slow, so I mean that would be actually pretty nice for kindling and stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, you could use it for a wick on the candle. It actually burns slow enough that you'd have time to move it and grab. Oh, real smart, David. Real smart.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah, Dad. Hey, Dad. If someone messes it up again, can I light it?
All right, so now it's not wanting to light. Maybe I got wax on it too much. There we go, lit up good that time. All right, so I lit a broad section, so it's burning a lot faster. But yeah, it's a nice slow burn, and it's waterproof too. So definitely a nice addition to the Cairn box. All right, guys, tell them all bye.
Bye.
All right, so now I'm gonna shut the video. I'm gonna turn the video off. It's off now, so let's play with the fire and the knife a little more. Okay? You want to do that? You want to play with the sharp things and the hot things? Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I hadn't turned it off yet.
What?
Okay, now it's off. Oh, Mom heard us.